Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to change the font size in Windows 11. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, power on your computer and wait for Windows 11 to fully load. This ensures all system settings are accessible and ready for you to make changes. Give it a moment to reach your desktop so everything runs smoothly. Once your PC is ready and you're on your desktop, you're going to access the display settings. Navigate to any blank space on your desktop and right-click. This will bring up a context menu with several options. From this menu, click on Display Settings. This is where Windows 11 stores all the controls for adjusting how things appear on your screen, including text size, resolution, and scaling options. After clicking Display Settings, a System Settings window will open. On the left-hand side of this window, you'll see a menu with different tabs. Click on the Display tab to make sure you're in the right section. This tab contains all the visual customization options you need. Now scroll down through the display settings until you find a section called Scale and Layout. This is the area where you can adjust how large or small text, apps, and other items appear on your screen. It's particularly useful if you find the default text size too small or if you want everything to look bigger for better readability. Within the Scale and Layout section, look for a drop-down menu labeled Change the Size of Text, Apps, and Other Items. Click on this drop-down to reveal your scaling options. You'll see several percentage options available, typically starting at 100%, then 125%, 150%, and 175%. Each percentage represents how much larger everything on your screen will appear compared to the default size. The higher the percentage, the bigger your text and icons will be. Simply select your preferred size increase from the available options. For example, if you want moderately larger text, 125% is a good choice. If you need much bigger text for easier reading, go with 150% or even 175%. Windows will apply your selection immediately, and you'll notice the change across your entire system, from File Explorer to web browsers and apps. And that's it. You've successfully changed the font size in Windows 11, making your screen easier to read and more comfortable to use. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.